Hi, welcome to you in my channel of Smart Polish. In this channel, I will discuss about today prime number and the prime number regarding all the details to check a number is prime or not, to generate a prime number sequence for a particular interval, and prime number all other details without using function. I mean using model and other details. So let's get started. It is the basic code. So it is the first two line and last two line. Actually, I'm measuring the times to compile the code. After that, what happens? N is equal to, it will take as an user input. It can take anything. So I comment it here as a 7. So suppose user gives 7. So I'm giving the condition that if n equal to 1 or n equal to 0, maybe n can be any other number. So if those number are given, so what happened, it is not a, it will show it is not a prime number. So another condition you can put here again, that if n not a number, okay, it is also possible because they give any other number also, so possible not a number, so it will generate as a prime number. So just for basic code, now I'm checking if the condition for n greater than 1, if they're entering n and which values is greater than n. Now we'll check that for the values of n in the range 2 to n floor division 2. I mean, what happened, floor division 2 mean if you give 7, so it will take 7 floor division 2, I mean it will take 3. So a range is what, 2 up to, the range is what, it will starts from 2 to 3, it will go, but it will goes before that in this range. So I will check the I values is what, first conditions, I values is 2, so n is 7, so 7 model 2 is equal to 0, no, so it is not. So this condition is not satisfying, it will comes to the else condition and it will show prime. So until unless this will not satisfy it, this loop will goes back. If it is goes down to all, I mean checking all the ith iterations, after that it is not found, then it will goes to else condition, it will find. So suppose for 7, so it will check with 2, it is not prime, it will check with 3 and it is not prime, so it will goes back, I mean this loop will be break. After that it will comes to the else loop and it will shows the prime number, that the number is a prime. So let's run the program and see the output. Ask for enter a number, I give 7 here, so 7 is a prime number. So now give another number, suppose let's say 21. So 21 is not prime number, so not prime. So you know this thing, suppose give 89. 89 is a prime number, so it will give a prime number. So gives another number like 52. 52 is not prime number. Okay, so it is the conditions that to check a number is prime or not. So if you have an alternative solution, put the comment section below. Now in the next solutions, I will go how to check, how to generate a prime number in a particular interval. So here in this code, actually what happened, so first number, user will give the first number, I mean first number of interval from starting interval, and last is the variable which is stored the final interval. So in this interval I will print the prime number. So we know that the 2 is a first prime number. So in this list, I'm taking 2 as a prime number first. After that, what happened for I in range first to last? I mean for this range, maybe any range, maybe possible that I is equal to first is suppose 50 and last is suppose 100. So in this range, what happened, i's values will be the first 50, 51, 52, like this dot 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 up to it will go 99. In this interval, for each of I am taking another range. What? No, the range will from 2 to I. Suppose first is I is what, first I is 50, so in this range 2 to 50, 2 to 50 means, and the range will go 2 to 49. In this thing it will check for each of for the values of j, that it will check the I mean 50 is divisible by 2 to 49 any number or not. So we know 50 is divisible by 2 to 49 any number means first number divided by 2. So this condition will execute. So the number is, I mean 50 is not a prime. So Like this way it will go 51, like it 52, like 53. When it will goes to 53, so suppose it will goes to i's values is now 53. So what happened in this 53? So I will generating one list. So the range will be 1 2 to 53. Actually the range will be 2 to 52. So 53 will be divisible by each of the instances from 2 to 52. So 53 divisible by 2, not 0. 52 divisible by 3, not 0. Like this way, if it will divisible by all the numbers of j. Okay, j will be 2 to 52. I'm repeating again. For the values of I, 53, j will be j. The values of j in the range of 2 to I means it will be 2 to 52. So 53 will divide, we will check that it is divisible by any of the instances from 2 to 52 or not. If it is divisible, then it will not a prime number, else it will prime number. So in this case, none of the instances of j can divide it by I. So the this statement, I mean this loop will be break. After that it will comes to the else loop and 53 will be appended to here. Like this way all the element those are not prime number will be appended to L, and I will print the L values is here. So let's run the program. So it is asking for initial number. Sorry, my mic is going in another side. So it is asking for first number. So give the first number 50. Okay, it gives asking for the final number, give 100. So it will print the prime number sequence from 50 to 100. Those are the prime number sequence. Actually I did a wrong things here. What is the wrong thing is, do you know, I appended 2 here. That's why it's giving 2 as answer. Now give a 50, give a 100. So it will the prime number sequence in this range. So now if you want to customize your code from fast to a particular number, so first to a particular number means no need of this code. Then we know our first prime number is 2, that's why I'm inserting the 2 here again, and here we'll check the number from 3 because already 2 are taken in from list. So it will goes to last number and it will check the last number. For this range it will find the values, I mean it will find the values from first. So let's check the code and give the final only. Here the final is suppose 100. So press enter. So from 2 to 100 those of the prime number. So both way you can run these programs. So I think hopefully you understand. So suppose anything else apart from this, if you use module, so if any interviewer will ask to generate the prime number and not given the condition, so you can do this code as well. You will import sampy and it will check the 5 is a prime number or not. So it is not, sorry, it is a prime number, so it will give true. If you want to generate a prime number, that just this code. So you will print this thing as a list sample dot prime range 0 to 15. 0 to 15 all the prime number it will be generated, and rand prime 0 to 50 any random prime from 0 to 50 it will be generate. So here sample dot prime 3 actually from starting the third prime number it will print. So third prime number is 5, so 5 it will print. So previous prime of 50 it will print the previous prime number of 50, and this code will print the next prime number of 50. And you can generate the prime number range in this as well. So let's run the code and check the output. So prime number 5 is a prime. Yes, it is true. So 0 to 50 prime number is those number. So primed rand 0 to 50 any prime number it is giving output 29. Prime number of 3 is 5. Previous prime of 50 is 47, and next prime of 50 is 53, and the prime range of these values. So what happened? see this rand prime will be checked. First time it is given 29. If you run the program again, it will give the another answer. Let's check it. 29. Run the program again. Sorry. Yeah, so now check the 0 to 50. It is gives the prime number 2. So each and every time this rand prime will be changed, neither all those values will be same. So it is the code about the prime number. If you have any alternative solution, have comment or any inquiry, put it the comment in the comment section below, and please like, subscribe and share my videos as possible. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.